ये कहानी शुरू होती है early 2024 BCD when I made a diabolical choice to invest my hard, okay, not so hard earned money in this. My ace in the hole. And it was about time to take this out to a real adventure. Wait. What just happened? Oh man. Music guy, put in some happy music. खैर जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है ऐसा किसी ने कहा है. I'm still working on believing it. So let's just enjoy this view and this weird ride. Bye bye Busty. Yeah, that's what I named her. अच्छा है ना? Anyway, let's see what are we up to today. Let's open our 2D map because 3D में edit करना is a struggle. Okay, so here we are. Let me add a cartoon for you to explain what we're gonna do. Step 1. Hire a crazy ass expensive cab till Malana. Step 2. Get out of the cab. Step 3. Maggie, chai and coffee because we are in mountains. And step 4, the most important one, a 4x4 death car. Step 5, survive the journey of 5 kilometers in that shitty ass car. Step 6, regret about not bringing your hiking gears. Hell, we were unprepared. Final step, trek into that lush green valley. Oh, okay, now I had my Maggie and coffee. Let's do the voiceover now. जिस डेथ कार की मैं बात कर रहा था. Yup, this is it. आगे सारे. As per our faces, it was all clear that हमारी लग चुकी है या लगने वाली है. But never mind that. Look at the view. Maybe it was us, but that guy was driving like it's a daily job for him. Maybe it was, but still, man, have some fear.
भाई स्किल्स बंदे में होनी चाहिए गाड़ी कोई भी हो अब इनका ही घर का रास्ता होएगा कई सालों
ये आपका टशन डाल दो ना मैं यूट्यूब पे. पक्की बात है ना.
ये आपको
But somehow we managed to reach there safely at our trailhead. And spoilers, there were no lush green valleys. In fact, there were no trails. We just have to hope that we'll find the way as per God's will. Now I'm just blabbering. But look at the view! Wait. My first impression for this valley was way too amazing. So I believe this place deserves a cinematic intro. and I captured some $1 million cinematic shots. Here we go.
Hey, लौंडे के निक्के निक्के shorts.
No, 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 not these kind of shots. The other ones. Once again, here we go. Okay, that's enough. Can we just move to some cinematic shots? Can just no mind. Yep, that's better. Finally, the time we ascend. But before that, the must thing to do.
ये बंदा तो नहीं आ रहा?
आ रहा है
अबे यार जल्दी करवाओ भाई इसकी फोटो भाई, और भी बंदे खड़े हैं लाइन में, क्या हो रहा है?
मंगोलियंस अभी पहाड़ से उतरा है
गौर से देखिए भाई, पीछे का बैकड्रॉप आ रहा है,
बहुत सही आ रहा है
सेक्सी आ रहा है.
By the way, in this track, my struggle was only 75% more than others. And good thing about that, I don't have to worry about any trail because they were carving it for me. पर मेरी खुशी ज़्यादा देर नहीं टिकी. पता है क्यों? But never mind that. Look at the view. Look at the snow. Look at that. It's just amazing, no? That snow struggle was real. And on top of that, we missed our right-left turn. I mean left-right turn. Basically, we were lost.
जो वापस आने वाला है. ये वापस वाला कितना पड़ेगा हमें?
But as I said in my previous videos, always make the best out of the worst. Something like that. So we decided to take some shots.
ये लौंडे के निक्के निक्के शॉट्स. भाई ये वाले शॉट्स.
You know, there is a saying, one can lose the path, one can lose the will, but one must move. I totally made that up, but it makes sense, right? So we decided we'll keep moving. And then we walked. We walked some more. Then we stopped for that craziest view. And then we walked again. And then in some time there came a point where everything just made sense. And after 5 hours of that diabolical trekking, here it was. Not Tower Cafe? What? That was a mirage? What the shit? Oh, here it is. A creepy cabin in a snow in an isolated valley. That's the dream. And as the wise man said, by the way, that's me, that in the end, it all makes sense.
ये लो पकड़ो यार, ये डालना पानी. पीली.
There was literally nothing else to do but to dry our clothes and of course Madira Sevan. Oh, by the way, that's Scotchy the dog. Scotchy? Whatever. That morning in Magic Valley was actually magical. Everyone was fogged up and worried about how will this end, but there was some part in our heart which was actually happy. I mean, just look at his face. And by the way, we stayed at this infamous Moksha Cafe. Look at the decoration, look at the vibes of this place, it was simply amazing. So yeah, do check this one out. If or when you visit there, just don't. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, it snowed like 3 to 4 feet last night. We had no idea what we were stepping into. You see what I did there? No, okay. And that forest which I enjoyed yesterday was totally vanished. And there was no other way. Maybe there was, or I'm just crazy enough to take this one. I don't know. Talking about adventure, are we? I know it was an abrupt ending, but this part is just wow. That stormy weather just got cleared. I believe this calls for a, I don't know, a philosophical montage. These moments of stillness that remind us of our inner calm. We learn that every challenge and every storm reveals the resilience and tranquility within us. Those are really heavy words, man. The shit. Anyway, you can truly appreciate the sunrise only after a dark night. After all, a storm is always required to enjoy the clarity. I think I'm done.
भाई जी यहीं रुकवा के को ना
बाय द वे, जो अभी मैं स्टॉर्म की बात कर रहा था ना पिछले मोन्टाज में, विद सम हैवी वर्ड्स लाइक रेजिलियंस एंड व्हाटएवर, या उस स्टॉर्म की वजह से जिस रोड से हम कल आए थे, दे वर हाफ गॉन, लाइक लिटरली हाफ गॉन. वेट, इज इट अ प्लेग? व्हाट द शिट? व्हाट आर दे डूइंग, मैन? Okay, that happened. Okay. I'm gonna walk through that. Now that was a crazy ass jugaad. As long as it works. Now that black thingy were insane. There were some more like us clinging to the life in that death car, but never mind that. Look at the view! Among the snow, rain, waterfalls, meteor showers, narrow roads, more roads, there was only one thing in my mind. Why did I say yes to this? Actually, two things. Why did these guys say yes to this? Why did we all make those insane choices? But never mind that. Look at the view. They were happy that we made it safely. I was not happy because we are at. Yeah. So, yeah, nothing went according to our plan. We were not prepared for the snow. We were expecting lush green valley. We were expecting some good food, and I was definitely not expecting to stay at Kasol. I came here 5 years back. That was a good trip. Awesome memories. But how it ended, well, that was not good. Now I'm here with new set of people, new friends, new perspective. Maybe not a new perspective, but yeah, in the end, as a wise man said, everything will make sense. Never mind that. Look at the view. Maybe at some point I will learn this, that life is all about accepting the change. Maybe it's all about changing your perspective. So yeah, until next time.
मैं ऊपर वाले से प्रमाण मांगता हूँ, कभी सेक्स तो कभी ज्ञान बांटता हूँ।